Oh, just trying to be electrified. This creative processing, there's so many things I can say about that. I just only touched the surface in the first video, so I'm going to try and keep it going. Really, I should script this, so bear with me. I will script things soon. One thing I'm gonna have to say regarding a creative process is, if you don't feed your soul, your senses, then nothing's gonna come out. So you have to go out and have a life and think and observe and talk and experience, and then let it all marinate. And then you add some spices here and a dash of aesthetic here and present it in a way that is a bit appealing, and then you've got your story, your song, your whatever creative process, maybe that video. I think some people are natural creatives in the sense that they play a lot. They like playing, they like new stuff. I'm one of those. I like new stuff. I'm very playful naturally. I have to curb this, in a professional environment or in an environment where it's not appropriate. I know how to behave more like an adult, kind of. I try, but my default is I'm a child. I'm a big child. I like playing. But I also have a side of me that wants to be taken seriously, because I am a bit of a deep thinker. I like to think deeply about things and how things work, especially how people work. The mechanics of the psychology and how you can harness that kind of thing I like. So yeah, I've got those two. Ooh! Did you see that? My camera was like, what is talking about? Oh, sorry. My camera just fell asleep on me. Okay, so I need to spice things up. Spice things up? What's that? Spice things up. Okay. So here I am, pumping myself full of drugs. Well, not drugs, supplements. So this is my probiotics. Add to that my vitamin D3 and K2. Then my omega-3 fish oil capsules to lubricate those brain cells. Wash it all down with vitamin zinc and C effervescent capsules, or whatever they're called. And now I'm ready to living it up. Living it up. Here's me living it all up. Oh, look at that. Driving it up. Oh, working it out. And there you go. And I'm back. Now inspiration strikes and I write. In fact, the week I've done this, I came up with 3 pieces of content: the newsletter, a short story, and a blog post.